Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is actually a pretty cool install. We're actually starting a new series. I've done it the camouflage series for now, but we're starting off with the desert tan, what it looks like on a 4Runner or any vehicle. Desert tan from 3M vinyl. I purchased it at Fellers. I'm going to tag the link to my distributor below. So if you're interested in buying your own roll of vinyl, it's about 25 yards. It's $25 per yard, but check them out. They're a pretty cool company to work with. With this design, I actually did a zombie outbreak response team design instead of my original Texas or American flag. This one is a little bit much more solid detail. I love it on my 4Runner. It's awesome just the way it came out without a hassle, and it's actually the most easiest to install. I didn't have no creases inside the vinyl. It was just stick and squeegee and then peel. So let's walk it through. I just peeled off the backing paper just a couple seconds ago, and if you can see, I'm trying to align it right now. This is a overlay flag, so there's no trimming required, just a tuck with the squeegee. Pretty easy. I'm going to pass forward through all of this right now just because it took me a couple of times to align it just perfectly like I wanted to do it. Like I say, if you're going to do it right, do it right. Don't have it like angled in the Done applying it. I'm just putting pressure to the sides, so when I squeegee it, it'll be easy to get all the air out. Also, I think this is a good time. We're doing a giveaway at 500 subscribers. Once we reach 500 subscribers, we're going to be giving away a 25-yard roll to 2 winners. That's 50 yards of vinyl wrap in satin black or matte black. We haven't really gone off on the colors yet, but that's a giveaway. Once we hit 500 subscribers, we're going to be giving away a 50-yard roll, 25-yard rolls to 2 winners. And if you want to know, you can actually wrap a whole vehicle with 25-yard roll. So I'm about to just squeegee out the rest of the air out of the vinyl. And like I said, you guys, this is the easiest I have ever, it's the easiest installation I have ever done. I've been in the vinyl print game for about now 5 years. So I'm gonna finish squeezing up the vinyl right now. Just reapplying it, making sure all the air is out. You want to do this several times just to make sure that you don't have no creases after your installation. Even though you have some creases, you can still remove them once you take off the transfer tape. So I'm about to start peeling off the transfer tape right now, and it came out perfect. Just from the top so far, no creases at all. Let me just reposition the camera real quickly. So, just repositioned it, and so far it's coming out well. There is definitely, I can tell you just by the look of it, there is no creases. It came out very well. Like I said, this vinyl is very easy to work with. And since it's the overlay flag, I don't really need to trim anything off. I just have to tuck it in with my squeegee, like I'm doing right now. And just go around the edges, make sure all the vinyl that's there, you can see it's folding in, and you can hear it slowly just tucking into the corners of the edges. This is a little bit better than most products at Etsy or eBay sellers sell because there's some trimming required, or there's either an offset, which you can still see the window line, and if you're a perfectionist, it will bother you. But if you're not, I mean, then just if you don't mind seeing a 1.5 inch of window between your vinyl and your design, just I don't know what to say. It does get tiresome seeing something like that, but this is an overlay. It does cover edge to edge and it folds, so it looks like it's a part of the vehicle. And like I said, guys, I'm doing a giveaway at 500 subscribers, 50 yard, 25 yard roll per winner. Matte black or satin black. We haven't really decided the color yet. Once we get closer to around 300 mark, we're definitely going to think of which color to give away, and it's either going to be those two. But 25 yard roll does cover your whole entire vehicle. If you have a 4Runner, it's 25 yard roll. That's what you want is to use. But if you have like a truck, 28 yard roll. Subscribe, like, and comment. Just enter to win by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thank you.